KMC Tech Support uses TeamViewer for a remote access view into our customers' computers and networks. This program is popular in the operational technology, or OT, industry, easily giving our techs access at low cost. TeamViewer allows us to securely see firsthand any problems, make a diagnosis, and assist in fixing them from off-site. This is ideal for cases that are ongoing or can be recreated. When connected, KMC techs can not only view the computer and network, they can control the computer remotely if needed. One thing to note, the customer has complete control of the session and can disconnect the KMC tech at any time. Let's walk through a sample session. First, the customer connects their computer to the internet and makes sure the PC can connect to the controller or devices that are having issues. Next, they open the TeamViewer application and give the KMC tech the ID and password to make the connection. The KMC tech enters the login information on their TeamViewer application, and the connection is made. Most TeamViewer connections are temporary and made on the fly. In the rare case of needing extended observation, the customer's PC will need to remain at the job site with TeamViewer connected. Typically, our techs have the customer walk them through the issue, allowing the tech to see exactly how the problem unfolds for the customer. The KMC tech can then guide the customer through fixing the issue, teaching them how to solve it in case it ever happens again. After this is complete, the session can end and both parties can exit out of TeamViewer. The connection is closed and the KMC tech can no longer access the computer. To learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.